Idiyappam is also known as Nool Puttu or string hopper. It's a rice noodle dish that originates from the Indian state of Kerala. It's usually served with coconut chutney or milk. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. So there are only few ingredients in this and it's extremely easy. So first, I'm going to start with boiling some water. So take around 1/4 cup of water. Bring this to a boil. The water is starting to boil. So into this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And also a tablespoon of oil. Give this a mix and turn off the flame. Next into this, immediately I'm going to add in a cup of rice flour and with the help of a wooden spoon, quickly mix it together. So mix this properly. Towards the end, it will require a little bit of muscle work. And now just let it cool down a bit for at least a good 5-6 minutes. So while this is cooling down, I'm going to quickly heat some water for steaming. So in a steamer pot, I have some water. Turn on the flame. So this has been cooling since the last 5 minutes. Now I'm going to remove it in a plate. It's still very hot, so I'm going to let it cool down a bit more. So this is cooled down a little more and now it's easy for me to touch it. So I'm just going to knead it lightly just to mix everything properly and smoothen out this dough. I'm going to apply a little bit of oil onto my palm and divide this dough into two. I'm going to make 2 rolls. I have a hand press or a chakli maker. I've used the very small or the very fine noodle sieve over here, and I've also greased this from inside as well as the sieve. Into this, I'm going to put 1 roll of the dough. Let's put the lid. I'm just going to rotate this till I feel that the top press has reached the dough. And once it starts becoming tight, you understand that it's already touching the dough. I've also greased the idli molds here with some oil. Into this, I'm just going to place a teaspoon of grated coconut. This is optional, so if you have some handy, you can add some. And now, let's start pressing the noodle. Straight into the mold. Let's just press a little portion of the noodle. So these are ready to go in the steamer. So let's stack these up. Into the steamer. Make sure the water is boiling. Cover it. Let this steam on high flame for around 8 to 10 minutes. So this dish is also called Nool Puttu, originating from the Tamil word Nool, that means string or thread. Now 8 minutes are up. Let's open this. Turn off the flame. These are done. Let them cool down for a couple of minutes. Let's get these out very carefully. So you can serve this as a dessert with some sweetened coconut milk, or just serve it with simple chutney and sambar and enjoy. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.